Was this a difficult cage to actually assemble? And does it come with everything that it needs? We're going to answer those questions and more. So, first thing, it does come basically partially pre assembled, and then you have to finish out the rest of the cage yourself. So, as you can see, it comes folded up like this in a box. You can pull that out, and then from there, you just need to basically put on one of the sides and also put on the wheels. It does also come with a tray that goes underneath it. And so you can see that it comes with the bolts that you need, and the holes are already pre-cut. So you can just put the bolts in. And then on the other side, you're going to use the nuts that come with it to screw that into place. And then it does come with a double-sided wrench. One side is an Allen side, and the other side is a star head so that you can tighten everything. So the overall assembly of this actually only took about 10 minutes since it was partially already pre-assembled. And all that you really need to do is come along and add the finishing touches like this latch here. So right here I'm tightening the screws on the actual door latch. And there's two of these, so whenever you're locking the door for this cage, there's one on the top and there's one on the bottom. And I'll demonstrate what that looks like once I have these screwed in. But you can see that the floor itself has holes basically in between the bars, but it does have a container underneath to catch any sort of debris or anything that falls out. And you can also put a bed or blankets up there as well. So here's the locking mechanism. You just tighten this once you have it latched down. And so I hope this helps you make a more informed decision for yourself. If you have a dog that is likely to chew through plastic or chew through softer materials, then that's an issue that this cage does not have, because everything is made out of a durable metal. And so we're really happy with it so far. Hope you have an amazing day.